This machine can't do anything. Except it's on 1000 spin. I'm not putting it on 1400 RPMs. I'm not doing it. 400 RPM is just gonna ruin it. Now it's doing a sensing process like the LG's doing. Stop processing. Stop processing. God, the machine can't tumble and it cannot get in spin position.
You keep switching it on and off, you prick. Doesn't help, does it, Nobby?
What's it doing? God, it's too heavy. Mummy, I think it's too heavy. It's too heavy. It doesn't like it. God. Please don't spin that. I had to switch it off. Just don't spin that. Just gonna, it's lost it again. This machine's absolute shit. It can't tumble. And it's now shifting. Oh. It's doing its process again. Everything's processing. Low sensing. Stop sneezing, you stupid nigga. Right. It's stuck. It's now sensing the clothes, saying it's too heavy, and it'll come up with a no error code. I'm not sure, it might come up with E60, I'm not sure. Just tell me what the error codes are on this machine. And I'll do a service mode on it and see if it does anything.
What's the spin on it? Should be 1400.
No, not put it to 1400.
That's why it's not working.
No, that's how it's supposed to save a spin. It's got my shots in there and I don't want it to spin too fast. It was a ruined Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, don't swear.
Don't, just calm down, you don't...
Leave it!
What are you doing, stupid thing? The machine can't tumble, what it's just doing is destroying itself. I'm permanent it to stop the machine, because it's gonna do something. Oh.
Leave it alone, you've already fucked up the program. Knobhead.
I didn't fuck up the program. The machine's fucked itself.
Stupid dick.
No, dear, I'm trying. Oh, yeah, I think I broke it. I may have done something. I'll put on service mode. See if it spins. I just fired. Activate service mode. It should do that. Then it should. This should switch it on service mode. Still says 5, but it will go on service mode.
Fuck the service mode, knobhead. Move.
No fuck service mode, I'm gonna try it.
What have you done to it?
It's now sensing the clothes again. It's already done it 3 times sensing itself. Then and then. Come on, you stupid, ugly thing. I want to see it jump. You guys want to see it jump? I'm going to make it jump.
No, I don't want to see it jump.
Yes, I'm going to make it jump by punching the panel.
Knobhead.
I made a jump. Calm down.
Has it taken it softer?
No, it has not. Look what's going on. Just stand here, look. That's unbalanced, I should switch it off.
It's spinning now.
Yeah, it could stop and it res. You know it's.
Leave it! What spin is it on?
1,000 to protect the shirts in it.
Is this finished?
Yes. It's finished. What are you doing? Oh, it's stopping again. I'm gonna switch it off because this is not a good spin for it. Because it can kill it. Right. Now it's starting to smoke. Now it's starting to get on fire now. It's starting to catch on fire. Why is it on fire? I don't like that. Probably I've broken them, wear the motor out. God. It is smoking. You can't tell, guys, but it is smoking. Absolutely smoking. No. I can't deal with this.
Let's get out of the way now.
What for?
This one.
Pots. I'm gonna switch on emergency stop mode. This is how far I can go.
Leave it!
Still can open. What's going on? Oh. It's why she never ordered integrated fucking nets.